What's up, guys? This is Zach and Grayson here in Frisco, Texas. We're going to be putting in a mantle mount, and we're using the MM700, and we're going to be installing this TV to this masonry surface here over the fireplace. You can see this is a tile finish, and we have a marble mantle. So we're going to have to make sure to mount this high enough into the studs and allow it to pull down past this marble so that it doesn't damage the marble. We're also going to be hiding all the wires and rerouting it down here to the rack over on the right hand side. Let's see what TV we have. This is the customer's owned, the LG 70 UK 6570 AUB. This is a 4K LED TV, and we're going to start out by getting the brackets mounted to the back of the TV. And then we're going to get our hydraulic system put on and bolted into the framing behind this tile. I'll upload the process as we go. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're moving right along. Grayson got the bracket in the back of the TV here. You can see something, huh? Yeah, Grayson's pretty good at his job. That's the word on the street. Word. And then you can see we got our bottom bracket here down at the bottom, which is hung just high enough to where we can fit that handle on there for the customer so they can get a nice firm grip, since this is going to be really high. So next we're going to go ahead and get the back bracket mounted to the stone. Alright, and with this particular mount, there are some calculations you have to make. One of the quickest ways to go about this is skipping right to step number 9. You can take the chart here, which shows the depth of the mantle. In this case, it's less than 8 inches. So you're going to add 2 inches to step number 8, which is basically measuring the distance from the bottom of the vertical braces, not the extenders, to the bottom of the television or soundbar. We're not doing a soundbar. So from the bottom of the braces to the bottom of the TV was 3 inches, and we're going to add 2 inches to that. So our bracket will mount 5 inches from the mantle. A lot of other information in here, basically just saying you don't want to hit the mantle. Alright, this is the back bracket, which is going to mount into the wall, and you can see I got my bottom here marked out at 5 inches in the center, which is important. I'm going to line that up. Bracket here. Business time. Check it out. We got a hole now. But look at how thick that is. That is some serious marble.
It's not dead. It's drywall.
Yeah, so now we got to find our studs in here and make sure we're mounted into that so we don't bring this wall down with this heavy duty hydraulic mount. Alright, so everybody trying to do this at home. This is an idea of what you're getting yourself into. You can see we drilled a couple holes just so that we can get our hand in there, and this is where we're going to pass through our wiring, which is up behind the wall plate. But you can see we measured out to our first stud here, and then we're taking 16 inches to the next stud, which is over there. You can see we have marked out, so that we can be into 2 studs and guarantee that this puppy ain't coming off the wall. And that's how it's done. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be mounting into the wood behind this tile with lag bolts.
Show them, Zach.
I'm showing. key is to where it feels like the whole drill's about to break your wrist. And whenever it is ripping your arm off, you know you're in the stud. Alright guys, so you know we always overbrace here at Dreamedia. We got our 4 lags in place.
Into the wood.
Into the wood.
Studs behind it.
Yes. And then in addition to that, we're also putting in several of these Tapcons. Tapcon.
Masonry.
Tapcon. Yeah, these guys are great. We could have just mounted it into the stone with this, but over time, the TV could have pulled the actual tile off. So we're hitting wood and we're bracing it with the tile so that this whole thing is super secure and one with the wall. Next, we're going to take the hydraulic system, this part here, and we're going to secure it to the wall. We're making some progress here. We got our bracket down here. So the next step is we're going to be attaching the bracket to the faceplate here. And if you're scared, you can always put this little guy on there as well, just to make sure your rod doesn't pop out. This is called fish tape. We are fishing the fish tape down into the hole, and Grayson is using a fish rod with a hook on there to hook it and pull it out. And then we're going to run our HDMIs and our power down here, making the wires disappear. Check it out, guys. Next step, after you get your back bracket on there for the TV to hang on, we're going to put these little covers on. You can see they just have these little felt pads that go on the back here, and then felt pads that go on the mount, and then it just sticks right on like this to help make your install look super clean, just like that. And they actually stick pretty well. We're coming along. Next thing we're going to do is finish off our electrical and throw the TV out. That is the Dreamedia difference. All right, we just finished this installation up, and if you look, we have the MM700 Mantle Mount installed, and this is an LG 4K TV. We went ahead and sealed all of the wiring behind this marble fireplace and ran everything down to here into his rack. So it's nice and hidden. He has HDMI hookup, which he's not using right now in case he does get a receiver to do surround sound, or if he just wants to hook in any other device. Down in here, he has the lock box surge protector, the rack slide, and then a speaker selector, which is splitting off his distributed audio to the whole home. And I'm going to demo the system for you so you can see exactly how the unit operates. One thing you'll notice is this mantle mount is coming really low. And the reason is because he doesn't have a super deep mantle. So as you've seen in some of our other installations, the TV is super high up there in a fixed position. That's because either they have a soundbar on there or the mantle's just really wide. And this particular situation, it turned out beautifully because of how thin the mantle is. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. Literally just a couple fingers and it goes right into place. This TV fits the mantle perfect and our clearance is just right. So that's in the fixed position, and then I'll show you with it pulled down. Just like that. And it does go side to side as well, so that you can give yourself a better viewing angle if you are off to the sides and there's some sun in the room. Okay, and this is the final installation. If you guys are in the Dallas area and would like us to complete this installation for you, give us a call or shoot us an email. If you're not in the Dallas area, keep in mind we can ship these products nationwide. We are an LG dealer as well as a Mantle Mount dealer. Make sure to subscribe down below, like, comment, and share. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.